ASUS Singapore gave us a very special mission.
We're gonna run 2 gaming benchmarks.
Okay, so in this video, we're gonna show you a high-end gaming PC with this ASUS TUF GT301. There are 2 reasons for this build. Number 1, this is a PC which happens when you decide to spend all your money on expensive PC components, but go for a more affordable PC case option. And number 2, ASUS Singapore gave us a very special mission which we'll mention at the end of the video. So make sure to watch to the end of the video to find out what is this special mission. Okay, so without further ado, let's talk about the components we're going to use for this build, and let's carry on with the build. Okay, so for this gaming build, we're going to go with the AMD Ryzen 9 5900X. Cooler will be the Cryorik H7, 16 gigs of G-Skill Trident Xenios. All of these will be sitting on the ASUS Strix B550XE Wi-Fi motherboard. We have done a review of this motherboard, so if you have not caught our review, make sure to check out in the link above. SSD would be the XPG S50 Lite, 1TB. Powering this build will be the Seasonic GX 750W power supply, 80+ gold. And the beast of the card, ASUS TUF RTX 3080. We're gonna outfit the case with 3 Typhoon Systems fans as well as 1 ARGB strip. So if you want to help the channel, you can buy all these parts using our Amazon affiliate links. Help us, a little cashback goes a long way for our channel.
Okay, right. Before we send the set off, we're gonna run 2 gaming benchmarks. So first off, we have CSGO. We have the benchmark here at 1080p, default high settings. So as you can see, the average FPS here is about 600 plus FPS like that. So a 360Hz monitor, we're gonna pair around with it. It's gonna do just fine because the average FPS over here is way higher than the refresh rate of that 360Hz monitor. Right, on the other hand, we have Assassin's Creed Valhalla right over here. Owing to the fact that, yes, this game can be pretty demanding, you can see that even here at 1080p, at the highest setting possible, your average FPS is only a little bit over 80, so about 87, with the minimum being 46 and maximum being 151. This is not going to really make full use of high refresh rate monitor, again, like the 360Hz monitor. You do have to remember that a monitor like that is geared more towards like esports titles rather than a AAA title like this one.
Okay, and there you have it. And if you remember at the beginning of the video, we mentioned that ASUS Singapore has given us a mission. They want us to test this. Not sure if you can see this, but this is the ROG Swift 360Hz monitor. IPS, 1 millisecond response time, 25 inches, all 360Hz, and G-Sync compatible. We will show you how these two pairs in another video. And with that, if you like this video, make sure to give a thumbs up, write down in the comments on what you think about this tough build, and make sure to come back to our channel to not miss out on these two incredible pairing. So, goodbye!